Hey, what's going on guys, Team Lion here, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to set any song as an alarm on your iPhone. You don't need any computer, you don't need any iTunes or something like that, you just need your iPhone and that's it. I know that iPhone gives you a limited sound effects for setting it as an alarm, for setting it as a ringtone, but actually you can set your favorite song as an alarm. Let me show you how to do it. Before we start, please leave a thumbs up, one comment and subscribe to my channel, and now we can start. Let's go. Alright guys, what we should do first, open your Safari browser, open Google, and then just type the name of the song that you would like to download. For example, I just open any website, any random website where we can download the song, right? Hit download button over here, download here, and then let's just open the downloads folder. As we can see, it's downloading. Alright, so this song now is saved to Files app. Now what we should do, we go and open GarageBand application. I'm gonna leave a link for this application in the description down below. So now we hit audio recorder over here. And then we need to press this icon. And as you can see, there is a little plus icon over here. Hit that. And we need to put the section A up to 30 seconds. Just make it 30 seconds, like this. After that, we need to press this icon up here. And then you just go to Files app here, browse items from the Files app, and here we go. That's the song that we have just downloaded. Press it, and we need to wait. Okay, as you can see, it appeared here. You can see this one. Hold it, just hold it like that, and drag and drop over here. So now what we should do, after that, you just click this button over here. You see that? This button, and press to My Songs. As you can see, we have My Song 2 over here. You just need to press and hold. Press to Share, Ringtone. Then let's just give a name for that. Let it be Alarm, like this. Hit Export. Alright, ringtone export successful. And then we go out from here, we open our clock application, and then let's just set our alarm. For example, let it be 7:20, and then go to sound. And as we can see, you see that? Alarm. Here we go, it works. So now you can set any song that you would like to listen in the mornings. As your alarm. If this video was useful, please leave a thumbs up, one comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. See you guys on the next video. Peace out.